Do you want to change the font size in WhatsApp? You can change WhatsApp chat font size with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change WhatsApp chat font size, first, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you are in WhatsApp, tap on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the screen. A pop-up menu appears. From here, select Settings. Now a new screen appears with different settings options. Tap on Chats to access chat-related settings. Under the Chat Settings section, tap on Font Size. A new pop-up will appear with 3 font size options: small, medium, or large. Select your preferred font size by tapping on it. To increase font size, select large, and to decrease, select small. Once you have selected the desired option, tap on the OK button. WhatsApp will automatically apply the new font size. Now, your messages in WhatsApp chats will appear in the font size you selected.